Hello everyone. Today I'm continuing with define some widgets. There are about button widgets. We need to two button widgets for social login and normal login pages. And about this, there are have a primary button and looks like a icon buttons. Firstly, I need the simple elevated button and the other things for social login icon button. This my authentication pages just have a two button. There are first elevated button custom here and other things in social logins with icon buttons. For this start coding for now. The background, yeah. Firstly, I'm defining my folder name. There are buttons, added custom elevate button. There could be stateless widget. Oops. Custom elevated button. Import material in here. Widget child. Other things we need to color, size, radius, maybe some width, and need to for callback on pressed. Firstly, let this final color inside here. I look at Figma color final double high and final double width. And need to border radius, it is this can say, yeah. And last thing, need to on press. For this need to void callback in this name on pressed, yeah. And add final my properties required. Maybe we can define my high is looks like a high. This is a real page 50. We can define width. I can change for the radius. Now we can say that required. Now here, not content, I want a size box inside the again width and high for rank inside child and elevated button called there. We say on press in child, okay. And other need to things here for button style inside to call button style. We need to background color, but here background color inside for background color always pattern we need to material state property here. That's all. Value is my color. In need to some shape this for coding material state property again. Yeah, here that's all for before this rounded rectangle. Yeah, value. Inside here we can just actually border radius we can call, but yeah, I just need to call border radius all, not just all, or circle and border radius inside here. What is the wrong border radius is defined? It's not defined. Yeah, it's defined here. Border. Yeah, need to round it again. Here, round the rectangle inside the here. Command X. Paste here. My custom elevate button finish now. After this, I need the icon button for social buttons. For this, I created custom icon buttons. We can call that start in here. Again, stateless widgets and name icon button. Import again material, the same like things, late const, edit my values, double height, width, final, double width, other things, final, need to void callback again, on pressed. After this, color, final. What else? By the way, we can call icon color final. I can say just image, or you can say icon, but now for social login need to image and it there again required all need to require it for my custom widgets inside the size box, inside the height and width. Every time we call that for responsive design, width, and last things child icon button. Here and other things. After need to color for this call color. Yeah, my custom buttons finish. After this next video I added some assets image for Facebook and other social login for Google, and I created buttons. Maybe if have any time is empty we can start UI pages for authentication. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys.